Thank you for joining us. We're about to dive into something truly exciting, our classic royal jelly, a product that has been cherished for its remarkable benefits. But today, we're not just going to talk about its properties, we're also unveiling its new look. Hi, my name is Elizabeth Villegas. I'm your JAFRA Beauty Pro, and today we're going to talk more about our Royal Jelly Classic collection. And joining me today in this training, I have my friend, colleague, and also JAFRA Beauty Pro, Monica Barrera. Hi, Moni, how are you?
Hi, Elizabeth, and hi, everyone. I'm so happy to share with all of you the knowledge that we know about our secret since 1957. Our royal jelly delivers nourishing amino acids and vitamins that help transform an ordinary bee into a queen and bring youthful looking radiance to your skin. So, are we ready, Elizabeth?
We're ready, Moni.
All right, so let's dive in. Our skincare experts, fueled by a passion for excellence, have been refining and perfecting the JAFRA Royal Jelly formula since 1957. Their dedication has led to the discovery of new secrets and innovations, while always staying true to the essence of what made our original product extraordinary.
Of course, Moni, and also at Jafra, our mission is clear and powerful to celebrate the luxury and legacy of Jafra Royal Jelly with the addition of new hydrating eye cream. Our Jafra Royal Jelly skincare line continues to help your skin look and feel its best, providing luxurious softness, nourishing hydration, youthful looking vitality, and also radiance.
All right, Jafra fans. So if you are looking for immediate hydration, this is the collection that you need to be using. So today we are going to present our Jafra Royal Jelly line with a complementary renewal look that maintains the essential characteristics of the brand. Our new logo is formed by hexagons, evoking a honeycomb shape. This structure is not only visually appealing, but it also conveys a unique elegance.
And now, Moni, we're going to dive in into the products of this amazing collection. And we're going to start with the Advanced Hydrating Facial Milk Balm with Sirtuin Activators plus Cell Span Complex. And what is this product? Well, it helps revitalize your skin with our hydrating facial milk balm featuring advanced technology with sirtuin activators and our exclusive cell span complex. Remember that this product is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. How to use this product? Well, we can apply a small amount of milk balm using gentle upward motions until fully absorbed, always avoiding the eye area. This is a new look with the same cherished formula. And the key ingredients for this product first is our royal jelly, this classic key ingredient at Jafra that visibly minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. Also, it has cell span complex that is an Ayurvedic blend of antioxidant-rich herbal extracts. And lastly, sirtuin activators that help the skin look and feel more youthful.
Thank you, Elizabeth. And the product that I would like to share with our followers, consultants, and leaders is our new look, but it's the same formula that you guys know and love, which is our hydrating lift facial serum with cell stamp complex. This one is an iconic formula in a new, easy to use dropper. Are you guys excited for this? Because I am. Experience the legacy and luxurious of Jafra Royal Jelly. And what is Jafra Royal Jelly going to do in this product is going to visibly minimize fine lines and wrinkles like Elizabeth shared with us. And the other key ingredient is also the cell tan complex. What I like about this product is that now it comes with the new packaging, easy to use. And how are you going to use it is by using 2 to 3 drops of serum, press onto clean skin, dry, with a gentle upward motions into it fully absorbs. And then you move on to your next skincare product, But I know, Elizabeth, you are super excited to share the new one. So take it on.
Of course, Monique, drum roll, please. We have this new product, which is our hydrating eye cream with its three-in-one formula. And what is this product? This is a new addition to our iconic line. The new JAFRA Royal Jelly Hydrating Eye Cream improves hydration, enhances luminosity, also softens the appearance of fine lines, and restores a more vibrant and youthful look to your eye area. This product is suitable for all skin types, and its key ingredients are its royal jelly, which visibly minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. And how we can use this product? Well, it's really simple. You just use a small amount of cream and gently tap onto the eye of until it's fully absorbed. I know Moni always shared with us this tip to use our ring finger because it's the one that has the less pressure and you just gently tap. Right, Moni?
That's right, Ellie. So you've been watching my trainings.
Yeah, I do.
So I'm so excited for this new product. Thank you so much, Elizabeth, for sharing with us all the benefits. This product is just going to bring a youthful look to your eye area, which is very trending right now. People is really taking care of their eye, eye care and making sure that we have that luminous look. So I love this product. Excited for you guys to try to share. So, Ellie, the other product that I really, really love of this collection is our Royal Jelly Body Complex. This one has the same packaging and the same formula. But what I like about this one is that it nourishes your skin with microcapsules technology that releases hydration over time. So how are you going to use this one? You're just going to massage moisturizer gently onto your skin, taking particular care of elbows. If you know this part is very dry, our knees too, into a fully absorbed. And this product, you can use it literally from neck to toe. And the key ingredient for this one is our winter cherry and lotus flowers that are a blend of Ayurvedic herbal extras with antioxidant properties to visibly soften your skin.
We love that, Moni. And following with all of these amazing products, we have our Royal Jelly Eye Concentrated Capsules. And this is going to be an intensive eye serum. It is a concentrated eye serum that visibly minimizes fine lines and offers age-defying benefits with continued use, unveiling a more youthful and vibrant appearance. This product is also suitable for all skin types, and we can apply it with a thin, even layer around the area using a light pressing motion. Its key ingredient of this amazing product is hyaluronic acid that hydrates and improves the look of fine lines.
Thank you, Ellie. So now we're going to share with you how you can use this collection step by step, including the new addition of the eye cream. So Ellie, start with step number one.
Of course, Moni, for step number one for our facial skincare routine, we have the hydrating lip facial serum with cell span complex that can be used during your night or also your morning routine.
And I love it that it now comes, Ellie, on a new presentation with a dropper for presses application, and it's more convenient than the original vials that we had before. So I'm very excited for this product. And moving on to step number two is our eye care. So now that we have our new hydrating eye cream, you can either use the eye cream, or if you are a fan, a lover of the capsules, you can continue to using your capsules. So now we are giving you an option of either or. So whichever is your best to use for your eye area. And this one, you can use it at night or during the day. And why not use one at day and the other one at night to take all those benefits? What's step number three, Ellie?
Our step number three, Moni, we have our advanced hydrating facial milk with sirtuin activators plus cell span complex. This great product, we can use it also in our night or morning routine to really give that final look to this amazing skincare line.
And for your body is our Royal Jelly Body Complex. You can either use it during the day or during the night. And we want to remind you that a queen bee tip is to always use SPF during your morning routine.
Let's not forget that, right, Moni? This is really important.
Very important step. So only with that, we have concluded our master class on the Royal Jelly Classic Collection. So I want to say thank you to everyone that joined us in this master class, and thank you, Ellie.
Thank you, Moni. Thank you all for joining this masterclass. Now you have all of this knowledge from our amazing products and are ready to shine like royalty. Thank you so much.